Why apprenticeship? That's an easy one. We need highly educated technicians to fix the vehicles of today and tomorrow. Did you know that today's new vehicles have 3 times more code than in the F-35 Strike Fighter? You need continuing education to be able to repair and diagnose these complex systems. At Dynamic Automotive, we've partnered with the state to create apprenticeship programs that run consecutively, laying out a direct career path from day one. Youth and registered apprenticeship programs offer a path that can start in high school, transfer into college mentorship, and continues to build year after year with education. Interested in pursuing a career with Dynamic Automotive? One of our bedrock principles at Dynamic Automotive is the development of every team member to their fullest potential. We are a goal-driven company and we want to work with you to achieve your goals. We are lucky to have so many long-tenured team members that many are in leadership roles helping the company and the team be successful. More information on our apprenticeship programs and employment opportunities can be found on our website. Apprenticeship is not designed to create a job. It's intended to foster a career.